Hello children, Deshiya Vidyashala Samiti Shimoga welcomes you to know something about the second year practicals. Well, this is our beautiful college. Now, you all need to get set to learn the practicals through video classes. Well, I am Shruti Ramaswamy. Now, you are going to study the practical number 14, exercise 22. It is something to determine the suspended particulate matter in air. What is the aim behind this? To determine the amount of the SPM. What is SPM? Suspended particulate matter in air at different sites in a city. Ours is a beautiful city, Shimoga. Okay? The principle lying behind this, pollutants are the materials or the factors which cause adverse effect on the natural quality of any component of the environment. The atmosphere is in a highly populated area is very rich in dust, smoke and SPM, suspended particulate matter. This is all due to the vehicular exhaust and the industrial emission. Well children, SPM is very dangerous because the particulate matter of the size of about 2.5 micrometers. So, this directly enters into the lungs and brings about the lung disorders like that of the bronchitis or might trigger asthma also. So, that is why in this particular experiment we shall know which area is lying with much of the SPM. The requirements for this experiment, it is freshly cut leaves, okay. Then it is Vaseline, okay. Then we need the laboratory balance, weights, brush, paper clips and twine. So, it is nothing but the thread. Okay, what is the procedure? See, this experiment basically is done in outdoor, and my children really will be very happy because we group them 2 to 3 groups with 5 students per group. We just make groups like this and ask them to go to different area. See, we collect a few locally available broad leaves. This is what we have done. Okay. Then we wash these leaves very clearly. We wash these leaves very clearly and then we have dried the leaves gently. We have dried the leaves very gently just to remove all the dust that has settled on the surface. Next, what we have done is the blotting paper. We use this blotting paper and we dry the surface. Blotting paper nalli ಆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. All the leaves and their surface is dried. Then we just keep this leaf over the graph paper and trace it. Okay? We trace this. Then what do? We find the surface area of this leaf. ಆ ಲೀಫ್ಗಳು ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾನ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಈ ಲೀಫನ್ನು ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ we find within the graph sheet many of the squares they have been covered in that particular area where the leaf was placed. The squares might be half covered or 1/3 covered or 2/3 of the squares might have been covered or fully the square might have been covered there. So, all these squares we just count it, we add it and then get the total leaf area. Whatever leaf area we have obtained, we multiply this by 2 because the leaf has 2 surfaces, the dorsal and the ventral surface. Both the surfaces should be covered. So, we multiply this. So, having taken this surface area, next what do? we just take the twine and thread it. Nearly 5 leaves we thread it with the help of the twine, leaving a foot's distance in between. Next thing, we take these leaves and then apply a thin layer of the Vaseline on both the surfaces. We apply a thin layer of Vaseline on both the surfaces of these leaves. All the leaves are applied with Vaseline. Okay. In this way, 2 to 3 bunches of the leaves have been twined up with the thread. Okay, now, see, this is one bunch, this is another bunch here. Now, we place this over the weighing machine, laboratory weighing machine. Okay. Next, we mark these bundles as A, B and C carefully. We weigh each of the bundle of leaves along with a polythene bag, Okay. So, now we had applied Vaseline to these leaves with the twine. What do we do next? We put it into a transparent polythene bag. Okay. Then we place it over this laboratory weighing machine. We take the weight. So, now this is weighing around 15 grams. This is weighing around 15 grams. Okay. So, now this is one set. In the same way, this is the second set. This also we place it inside a polythene bag and then weight. We take the initial weight. Now, our team is ready. The team of students, they are ready, very happy, bubbling. Now, I hand over this to one of the teams, and our beautiful city is Shimoga. I ask them to go and hang this near one of the no man's area at bus stand. And another one, this bunch, I am giving it to the other team, asking them to hang it over near the Gopi circle. So, this is another spot. Okay. So, now they would be hanging the same leaves in that particular area, and one more, we need to check how is the pollution in our own campus. So, one more set I am giving it to the team and I am asking them to hang it exactly at the center of our garden. Okay. We allow this to stay there for a period of 4 hours. After 4 hours, our own team will be bringing back the leaves. So, what do? They just collect the leaves and again just very gently place it into the respective polythene bags within which they had carried the leaves, and they tag it. The mouth of it is tagged so that no additional suspended particulate matter gets added into it. They bring this back here into the lab. So, 4 hours, so they do not just loiter out, instead they would be marking out the other experimental values, or else it might be the procedure. They would be noting it down in their observation. Then after 4 hours, they would be coming back to the campus. So, they would be bringing these leaves, and what do we do next? Again, after they are loaded with the suspended particulate matter, we just put this over the weighing machine and check the weight there. So, bundle A, it was somewhere around 15 grams. Now, that the suspended particulate matter has been added, obviously the weight will increase. See here, after exposure at spot X, collect the leaves and carefully rebundle the exposed leaves and place them along with the string in the polythene bag. Repeat the same process at spot Y and Z. 3 spots we had taken, one bus stand, the other one in the Gopi circle, and one more in our own campus. Okay. Now, at the end of the experiment, we asked the children to come back to the laboratory, reweigh each of the bundle of exposed leaves along with their respective polythene cover, because in the initial weight also we had put the polythene cover. Now, calculate the amount of the suspended particulate that has been deposited in milligrams per centimeter cube of a leaf at each spot. Compare the results of 3 different spots and interpret, since the weight of the SPM will be in milligrams or even less, it is advised to use a very sensitive laboratory balance. Yes, this balance which we are using is very clearly indicating the difference there. See, bundle A, B and C, site X, Y and Z. As I told you, here site X, Y and Z, you can mention where actually the bundles were hung. Okay. Before the exposure, what would be the weight? As we had checked, it would be one of the bundles A, it was showing around 15 milligrams. After the exposure, obviously the weight changes, it would have increased either to 15.5 or else it might be 16, depending upon the SPM that would be loaded in that particular area. So, weight of the suspended particles. So, difference between the final weight and the initial weight, and finally, whatever is obtained here, it is milligram per centimeter square. That is how you report. So, this is about the calculation part. Well children, so in 3 spots that we had obtained, so during our regular course of the laboratory, we will have to check which of the spot is loaded with much of the SPM. So, accordingly, during the regular practical hours, what we had identified was much polluted area was the Gopi circle and very little difference was near the bus stand, and our campus, it was with very minimum suspended particulate matter. Feeling proud that our green campus beholds very less suspended particulate matter. So, children who study here are with a clear zone. Okay. Anyhow, fresh air makes our lungs happy. That is why we need to see that we have the greenery everywhere, because they are the ones which protect us. They are the source of the oxygen and the sink of the carbon dioxide. Not only that, even the suspended particulate matter, it just holds there and makes the air clear that we breathe in. Thank you.